Hey everyone, buckle up because we've got some exciting news for all the Sony lovers out there. Rumor has it that Sony is gearing up to launch a stunning DSLR camera smartphone that's about to shake up the market. And guess what? It's set to take on heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy S25 series and the iPhone 16 series, but here's the kicker, it's going to do it at a much more affordable price. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Sony Xperia Vision 2025. Now, even before its official launch, some of its features have already leaked online. If you're thinking about grabbing this phone, make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because we're diving deep into its leaked specs, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Sony Xperia Vision 2025. First up, the display. Sony is reportedly packing this beast with a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. But that's not all, it's also rumored to support HDR10+, a 120Hz refresh rate, a jaw-dropping 3500 nits peak brightness, and a lightning-fast 360Hz touch sampling rate. And it'll also come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating, for water and dust resistance. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia Vision 2025 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with the Adreno 750 GPU. This means you can expect buttery smooth gaming, and seamless multitasking. And for all the Android enthusiasts out there, it's likely to run on the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. Sony is reportedly going all out with a triple camera setup. The primary camera is said to be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with OIS. Alongside that, you'll get a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, with 5x optical zoom, and 25x hybrid zoom, as well as a 50-megapixel periscope sensor for those stunning long-range shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Battery and charging. Powering this beast is a massive 5550 mAh battery, which should easily last you through the day. And when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long thanks to the 80-watt fast charger that's rumored to come in the box. Price and launch date. Alright, let's get to the part you've all been waiting for, the price and launch date. In US, the Sony Xperia Vision 2025 is expected to be priced around $1,200, making it a serious contender in the premium smartphone segment. As for the launch date, well, that's still under wraps. But don't worry, we'll keep you updated as soon as we hear more.